Now, good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Let's continue yesterday class. What is our lesson? Our country, India. Next, let's see about national symbols. Next one is what, Amma? National symbols. Look at your textbook, children. National emblem. The national emblem actually arrived from the Sarnath lion, capital of Imperial Ashoka, who was the ruler of this Finki land during 272 BCE and 232 BCE. The sculpture exhibits four lions on the top of the pillar, and the basis is short also with an elephant, horse and bull. Now, lions on the base are aligned artificially with a lotus. The stone looks marvelous because of this excellent looking curved Dharma Chakra, wheel of luck. What is our national emblem, Mama? It's looking three lions and like this. This is the national emblem. Okay. Now next one, Amma. A national bird. Who is our national bird, children? You know about idea that the national bird of India, the peacock, is standing as a significant symbol of prettiness, grace, pride, and holiness. What is our national bird? National bird is what, Amma? Peacock. What is our national bird? The national bird of India is the peacock. Is standing as a significant symbol of prettiness, grace, pride and holiness. Now next one, national calendar of India. Now next one is what, Amma? A national calendar of India. Adopted on March 22nd, 1957. The national calendar was based on the Saka era. A normal year has 365 days. The dates of the Indian national calendar have a correspondence with the calendar dates. It has been seen that the first Chaitra, the month according to the Hindu's calendar year, generally falls on 21st or 22nd March in a leap year. March in a leap year. National calendar of India. What is the national calendar? It's adapted on March 22nd, 1957. Now next, national flag. What is our national flag? Saffron, white and green. All these three colors are sequentially placed on one after other the rectangular shaped Indian flags. Now you know what is our national flag, like this. This is our national flag. Okay. And now the three horizontal breads were used by three different colors. All of these colors signify and symbolize different things. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, whereas white is a symbol of purity. On the other hand, green denotes fertility. Wheel with 24 adjoining spokes corresponding to the Dharma Chakra and placed right in the middle of the white colored portion. You know, a national flag, three colors are there. It's a rectangular shape. One is saffron, white and green. Saffron is an indicated symbol of saffron is indicated sacrifice or coverage of sacrifice, and white is indicate a symbol of purity. White is indicate the symbol of purity. Now green is denotes fertility. Green is denoted the fertility. Now in the middle of the 24 adjoining spokes of the corresponding to the Dharma Chakra is there. These placed right in the middle of the white colored portion. White color దగ్గర middle లో 24 adjoinings తోటి ఒక Dharma Chakra is there. This is our national flower. Now next national flower. What is our national flower? On the verge of beginning scattered and national flower of India, lotus. What is our national flower? Lotus. Nulumbo nucifera. What is the scientific name? Nulumbo nucifera. Has a prominent and a significant portion in the art of the mythology of ancient India. A purity of heart and mind is also symbolically represented by the lotus. What is our national flower? It's a lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Now next, the national tree of India. What is the national tree of India? Tell me, children. The touring Indian national tree called as banyan tree. What is our national tree? Banyan tree. You have seen that banyan tree, Amma? All of you seen? Yes, somebody seen banyan. It's a very big tree. Now, spreads its branches and provides shelter to its neighbors while its roots and even stretches to several areas. What is that? It's a spreading. Total its leaf size is spreading and remaining. It's providing shelter. తన కింద ఇంకా షెల్టర్ రిమైనింగ్ ట్రీస్ కానీ ప్లాంట్స్ కానీ వేరే ఎనిమల్స్ కానీ ఎవరికైనా షెల్టర్ ఇస్తుంది. Now the well spread out branches. It's a very big branches are there. Okay, it's a now roots and the trunk of the banyan trees most often from a tangle. The amount of year a banyan tree survives is definitely more than any other trees. It's a living so many days, more than 100 year also. It's a living. Okay. Now next one, national game of India. What is our national game of India? Hockey is the national game of our India. Now was played by many stalwarts of India. There was time when India used it to the rural game, the game and the world with hockey. It was the golden period of Indian hockey. The magic and skills of hockey players at that point of time. The ball jungle fades and extra like measure that. Okay. Now this golden epoch during 1928 to 1956. India was won 6 successive golden medals in the Olympic Games. What is that? Why are you calling hockey is our national game? It's a big success of India. How many times it's a successing, Amma? 6 successive golden medals in Olympic Games. Not only national game, not only state games. It's a national, sorry. So Olympic Games lo 6 you are getting 6 successive of gold medals. Now next, national fruit of India. What is our national fruit of India? Expect few hilly and undulating lands. Mango, the national fruit of India. What is our national fruit? Mango is the national fruit of our India. It's cultivated almost in all parts of India. Mangoes are the rich source of vitamin A and C. A rich source of vitamin A and C in mangoes. Now next, national anthem of India. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. What is our national anthem, Mama? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Was written by Bengali literate Rabindranath Tagore. It's written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now next, national animal of India. The Royal Bengal tiger, the national animal of India, is the bright yellow colored striped animal with short coat. So what is our national animal? Royal Bengal tiger. The scientific name of the Royal Bengal tiger is the Tiger Panthera tigris. Okay, now next, national pledge. The promise of a committee to the Republic of India is the Indian national pledge. In different public gatherings such as assemblies in several Indian schools, Independence Days and Republic Day celebrations, India respected to the national pledge normal. సో మనం నేషనల్ ప్లెడ్జ్ వెన్ యూ సింగ్ అమ్మా ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు మనము పాడుతూ ఉంటామో నేషనల్ సింగ్ ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉంటాము రిపబ్లిక్ డేస్లో స్కూల్స్లో ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే అప్పుడు నా స్కూల్స్ అప్పుడు స్కూల్స్ ఏమైనా మీటింగ్స్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు సెలబ్రేషన్స్కి కూడా రిపబ్లిక్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్ కూడా వీఆర్ రీడింగ్ నేషనల్ anthem. Now next, national days. What are the national days? Amma, Independence Day 15th August, Matrix Day 30th January. Now Children's Day 14th November. Republic Day 26th January. Teachers Day 5th September. Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. These are the national days. Okay. Now you are learning in this lesson national symbols of our India. National emblem, national bird is the peacock. Now national flag is national flag. Now national flower is the lotus. The national tree is the banyan tree. The national game is the hockey. Now next national fruit is the mango. National anthem is the Janaganamana. National animal is the Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, these are our national symbols. Now, so completing lesson number our country India. In next